Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this episode we are going to show us about makeup tips for different lip shape. Kissing Confidence lip makeup for every shape. Lips are a focal point of the face, adding a touch of color, sensuality, and personality to our expressions. While every lip shape is beautiful in its own right, makeup can be a powerful tool for subtly enhancing their natural contours and creating the desired lip look. This video shows essential lip makeup tips tailored to different lip shapes, offering techniques to amplify your unique features. Understanding lip shapes. Lip shape refers to the unique outline and proportions of your upper and lower lips. It's a key part of your facial features and can influence how your makeup looks. Here are some common lip shapes. 1. Full lips. Both the upper and lower lip appear full and plump, with a well-proportioned balance between them. 2. Thin lips. Both the upper and lower lips appear thin and delicate, with less volume. 3. Heart-shaped lips. The upper lip has a distinct Cupid's bow shape, creating a heart-like outline, with the center dip of the bow more prominent. 4. Round lips. Both the upper and lower lips have a rounded shape, appearing full and symmetrical. 5. Downturned lips. The corners of the lips appear slightly downturned, creating a sad or serious expression. 6. Upturned lips. The corners of the lips are slightly lifted, giving a youthful and happy expression. 7. Asymmetrical lips. One lip may be slightly fuller or narrower than the other, creating a less balanced appearance. Essential lip makeup tools. Lip liner helps define the lip shape and prevent lipstick from bleeding. Lipstick, available in a myriad of colors and finishes, from sheer to matte to shimmery. Lip brush, for precise application of lipstick and lip liner. Lip gloss, adds shine and dimension to the lips. Lip scrub, exfoliates the lips to remove dead skin cells and promote smooth application. Lip balm, moisturizes and protects the lips, ensuring a smooth canvas for makeup. Universal tips for lip makeup. Prepare your lips. Exfoliate your lips with a lip scrub to remove any dry skin, then moisturize with lip balm. This creates a smooth surface for optimal makeup application. Outline with precision, using a lip liner that matches your lipstick color. Outline the shape of your lips, slightly overlining the edges if desired. This helps define the lips and prevent lipstick bleeding. Fill in for flawless color. Apply lipstick evenly to the lips, using a lip brush for precise application, especially for darker shades. Choose the right finish. Consider your desired effect. Matte finishes offer a bold and long-lasting look, while glossy finishes create a shiny and youthful effect. Blend for a natural look. For a seamless transition between the lip liner and lipstick, blend the edges with a brush. Experiment with color. Don't be afraid to try different lip colors. Experiment with shades that complement your skin tone, eye color, and personal style. Lip makeup tips for specific shapes. 1. Full lips. Embrace the fullness. Use a lip liner to define the natural shape and apply a bold lipstick in a shade you love. Consider a slightly darker shade for the outer edges to create a subtle ombre effect. 2. Thin lips. Create the illusion of fuller lips by using a lip liner to slightly overline the edges. Apply a nude or light-colored lipstick, followed by a clear gloss for extra shine and volume. 3. Heart-shaped lips. Emphasize the Cupid's bow by applying lip liner along the natural shape, focusing on the center dip. Use a bold lipstick to fill in the lips, making sure to blend the edges for a seamless look. For round lips, define the edges with lip liner to create a more defined shape. You can create the illusion of a slightly more pointed tip by applying a darker shade to the center of the bottom lip. 5. Downturned lips. Lift the corners of the lips by applying a light lip liner to the outer corners, blending it upwards towards the center. Choose a light lipstick color to brighten the mouth. 6. Upturned lips. Emphasize the natural, upturned shape with a lip liner, subtly overlining the edges. Apply a vibrant lipstick color that complements your skin tone and enhances your natural pout. 7. Asymmetrical lips. Overlining the thinner lip can help create the illusion of more volume and balance. But overlining too much can look unnatural. Use your lip liner to gently and subtly enhance the shape. Start with the thinner lip. Start applying lipstick to the lip that is naturally thinner. This allows you to build the color gradually and ensure it matches the fuller lip. Blend carefully. Use a lip brush to blend the edges of the lipstick, especially where you have overlined. This helps create a seamless and natural look. Consider ombre. An ombre effect can be a great way to balance out asymmetrical lips. Apply a darker shade to the fuller lip and a lighter shade to the thinner lip, blending the colors in the center. Glossy touches. Highlight the center. Adding a touch of gloss to the center of both lips can help draw attention to the center of your mouth and create the illusion of fuller lips. Strategic shimmer. A hint of shimmer on the thicker lip can help visually balance the difference in volume. Additional lip makeup tips. Consider your skin tone. Choose lip colors that complement your skin tone. Warm skin tones look best with peach, coral, and brown shades, while cool skin tones flatter with pink, red, and plum shades. Layer for dimension. You can create a multi-dimensional lip look by layering lipstick with gloss or shimmer. Don't neglect exfoliation. Regularly exfoliate your lips with a lip scrub to prevent dryness and flaking, ensuring a smooth application. Protect your lips. Always use lip balm to moisturize and protect your lips, especially during dry weather or when wearing matte lipstick. Conclusion. Lip makeup is an art form that allows you to enhance your natural beauty and experiment with different looks. By understanding your lip shape and applying the right techniques, you can create the perfect pout for any occasion. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and discover what looks best on you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and leave a like. See you next time.
Thank you.